Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I'm Natasha, the Garden Mouse. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this garden, I talk about the love of gardening, especially hydrangeas and daylilies, my favorites. My husband Dan and I started this YouTube channel in 2020 because we were looking for a new hobby together. Dan's more of an indoor cat, I like to be outside gardening, and this brings both of our loves together. Dan gets to do photography and I get to plant beautiful flowers. It's a match made in heaven. When you're watching a lot of other YouTube channels, you're going to notice that a lot of people have really big pieces of property and they can have a video where they bring in 10 trees and I love watching that too and being inspired. But this YouTube channel is more about backyard gardening. We have a small piece of property, but we love it just the same and all the gardening that we can do there. If you would take a moment to like and subscribe below, that really helps us out and it gives us the encouragement that we need to continue making videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.